Have you ever wondered what makes up everything around us? When you look at your hand, a glass of water, or even a rainbow in the sky, you might notice they all seem so solid and bright. But scientists have discovered that, deep down, the world is full of mysteries that are much, much smaller and stranger than you can imagine. These mysteries are what quantum physics tries to explain. 100 years ago, people thought they understood how things move and what they're made of. But then, scientists like Max Planck and Albert Einstein found puzzling things about light and tiny particles they called atoms. Sometimes, light acted like waves, making patterns like ripples in water. Other times, it acted like little particles, as if it was made of bouncing balls. This was confusing. Even more mysterious, inside the atom, there were even smaller pieces, electrons, protons, and neutrons. Quantum physics is the branch of science that explains how these teeny-tiny bits behave. And they behave in ways you would never expect in your everyday life. Imagine you're playing with marbles. In the normal world, marbles roll along in straight lines unless you push them. But in the quantum world, marbles can suddenly disappear from one spot and reappear on the other side of a wall, or even spin in two directions at the same time. Scientists say that tiny things can be in many places at once, or do many things at the same time, until someone checks on them. One of the strangest ideas in quantum physics is something called superposition. This means a particle, like an electron, can be in two places at once until you look, like a magic trick that vanishes when you peek. There's also entanglement. Imagine two magic playing cards that always show the same number, no matter how far apart they are. In quantum physics, particles can become connected so that what happens to one instantly affects the other, even if they're on opposite sides of the Earth. You may wonder, why does this matter? Quantum physics helps scientists build amazing things, like super-powerful computers, fancy microscopes, and even helps explain how the sun shines. So, quantum physics is like the rules of a secret world under everything we see. The rules are weird, but they help us understand how everything really works, from the tiniest atom to the farthest star.